Now, over 40 schools and teams competing in 5 divisions took part in the Buster Jamfit Regional Cheerleading Championships at the Wolmer's Boys Auditorium on Saturday. The young cheerleaders from basic, prep, primary and high schools took center stage with athletes in the All-Star division. The athletes were not only competing for places in their respective finals, but also vying for the opportunity to represent Jamaica on the international stage in 2027. There were standout performances from Elim Basic School, St. Jude's Primary, Mona High, Port Antonio High, Cedar Grove Academy, Phoenix All-Stars and Excelsior Community College. Event organizer and director at Jamfit Chair, Carol Jones, was elated with the day's proceedings and the future of the event locally.
Energy was there. It was so inspiring to watch. It is so clear now that Jamaica is building something powerful in cheerleading. I'm so looking forward to July 4th and the finals. I'm expecting even bigger, spectacular, more intensity, tighter routines, and unforgettable performances. And to see who gets the coveted prize of representing Jamaica overseas at Cheerleading Worlds in Orlando, Florida, 2027.
This was also the first year that the community teams category was introduced. The Top Range Community stole the show in this division. All eyes will now turn to the highly anticipated finals to be held on July 4.